Hello everybody, my name is Laura Price. I'm the Workforce Development Manager at DeWys Manufacturing. We offer a variety of different careers for our team members to be trained in. Things like welding, both manual and robotic welding. You can become a laser operator. You can also get into learning how to run a mill or various different machining, powder coating, or assembly areas. We can make our team members learn a variety of different processes to be able to make the different parts that you see today. The parts that we make at DeWys can be seen in various different ways at your home and at your school and all around the world. Our jobs cannot get done without teamwork. What does teamwork mean to us at DeWys? Let's find out.
As a shipping manager for DeWys, for me, teamwork means that you are willing to put the other members that you work with above yourself. So what you want is you want to be all working together for the same thing and doing what you can to build each other. And when you build each other, you're all part of a team.
Teamwork to me means that we utilize all our team members to help out whenever we need help.
As the team lead for DeWys Engineering Department, to me teamwork means we are working towards the same goals while being flexible and agile to ensure everyone is supported and getting the job done. Our team consists of 6 engineers, 4 that are here in the office, and 2 that are located in India. The partnership creates a unique opportunity to communicate throughout the day